Hi friends, I'm Shobha Khemani. Welcome to Khemani Kitchen. Today I'm making Sai Bhaji. It's a very popular Sindhi dish. To make Sai Bhaji, I have 500 grams of spinach, 2 medium onions sliced, 1 small potato roughly chopped, a small piece of cauliflower, and I have 1 carrot chopped, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. I have soaked 1 cup of chana dal for about an hour, 1-inch piece of ginger, 8 to 10 green chilies cut, 1 tablespoon jeera, 4 cloves of garlic chopped. I have salt to taste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. In the pressure cooker, I'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, I'll add half the jeera, like half a tablespoon jeera I'll add. And the onions, 2 sliced onions. I'll fry the onions till they are light brown. Our onion is light brown. Now we'll add the green chilies, ginger, and half the garlic. We'll add all the cut up vegetables. All the dry masala. We'll add the tomatoes. Add little water to it. We'll add the spinach. Chana dal. And the water, about a cup of water. After 2 whistles, we lower the heat for 20 minutes. Let's see how our Sai Bhaji looks. We have to check the chana dal. It's done. Now we'll grind it with the hand mixer. We don't want it like a puree. We'll grind it a little and we should see little dal also and some palak. So our sai bhaji is ready. We'll put the tadka now. We were saving some garlic and jeera. Now we'll put the tadka. One teaspoon ghee. And we'll put jeera into it. When the jeera is done, we'll put the garlic. When we put the garlic tadka, it smells very good and it tastes also very good. Garlic is done. We'll turn off the heat and we'll put half a teaspoon of chili powder for the color. And we'll our sai bhaji is ready. Sai bhaji is ready. You can enjoy it for dinner with bhugal rice and some sana pakoda or some other vegetable on the side. Today I am making bhugal chawar. That's brown rice that goes very well with sai bhaji and pakodas and other vegetables. To make bhugal chawar, that is brown rice, I have soaked 2 cups of rice. I have 1 onion sliced. I have some dry spices, stick of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, 2 black cardamoms, 2 bay leaves, 4 cloves and 6 to 8 black peppercorns. I have some salt to taste, some oil to fry the onion, and as I am using 2 cups of rice, I have 4 cups of water. In a heated pan, we will put about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we'll put the dry spices. To this we'll add the sliced onion. And we'll fry it till golden brown. onion is almost done. We want it little more brown. We'll add the water to it. And we'll let it boil. When we boil the water, the brown color of the onion will come out. And the color will be very nice on the rice. You can cover it and let it boil. Water is boiling. Now we'll add the rice to soaked rice. And we'll wait for the water to boil again. We'll cover it for 5 minutes and then put it on low flame for another 10 minutes. Now we'll leave it on a low flame for 10 minutes. Let's see how our bhugal rice look. Wow, it looks so good. Nice color, not very dark, not very light. It's ready. Bhugal chawal are ready. You can enjoy them for lunch or dinner with sai bhaji or any vegetable of your choice. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.